Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic Coin. And this year, I believe this is going to be the year for Terra Classic Coin. Now, last year, Terra Classic dominated. Terra Classic became one of the top crypto coins on CoinMarketCap. A lot of people were searching. People want to know about Terra Classic Coin on CoinMarketCap for months. This coin dominated the top 10, and most time you see it on the first or the second. Now, I believe this year, we are going to see Terra Classic hitting a massive increase in price. Now, basically, we are hoping to see this coin get listed by Coinbase. Yes, Coinbase. I believe Coinbase can really bring an impact. Coinbase can bring a lot of differences. Coinbase can bring a lot of positive impact on Terra Classic Coin. Now, remember, Coinbase, I thought so many people rank Coinbase as the second to Binance. And remember, Binance have been supporting this coin so much. And if we can get Binance, if we can get Coinbase, believe it, Terra Classic is going to become a boom. It's going to become one of the top crypto coins of 2023. Now, I believe deleting 2 zeros is what is so many crypto investors, those that bought Shiba Doge community, are actually targeting. And with the Binance support, with CZ, Binance founder, I believe this coin is definitely going to increase. Binance are not giving up on Terra Classic. Binance are fully behind. They are like the backbones of Terra Classic right now, because they've been burning billions of Terra Classic coins. And not just that, over 55% of Terra Classic coin is being traded on Binance alone. So you can see now, by the time Coinbase will be coming in, we believe this coin is definitely going to become one of the top crypto coins of 2023. And then one important thing you need to understand is that Terra Classic, I believe they are trying to recover, but I still believe they're trying to build new community after what happened last year. But this coin, the Latin 2.0, will definitely end up making new investors some good amount of money. Well, for me, I think Coinbase partnership, Coinbase listening is going to become one of the best thing that will happen to Terra Classic this year. Now, remember, this is not financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.